10 largest cat breeds in the world. Many of us often dream of having our very own tiger or leopard to hug them and to love them. Though it's not be possible to have these big pets, there are actually quite a few big domestic cats which will quite happily share your residence. You may be wondering what cats are bigger than the average Moggy, which is why we have done all the hard work for you and picked out our top 10 large cat breeds. 10. Shozi. The Shozi is a big cat breed that was the result of crossing a wild jungle cat and a domestic cat. These large, attractive cats can weigh up to 25 pounds and possess long legs and an agile body. Favored for their wild appearance, these social cats are best suited to families who spend most of their time at home. Additionally, they are happiest with a consistent routine and don't like it when things change, so you'll always have to make sure you have dinner ready on time with these big house cats. 9. Siberian. Siberians are very playful, they don't require much care, they are good with kids and other pets, affectionate, and love the outdoors. They are very healthy too. While there aren't many cons, know that you should invest a heavy duty on them, because they often shed their long, fluffy hair. It weighs up to 28 pounds. 8. American Bobtail. If you're looking for a cat that acts like a dog, consider bringing home an American Bobtail. They love to play games and are very adaptable and loving. Take note that they're prone to hip dysplasia and some are born without tails, known as rumpies. Hodgson says that unfortunately, rumpies cannot breathe because of health problems associated with a shortened spine. It weighs up to 7 to 15 pounds. 7. Berman. The Bermans may appear larger than your average cat. This is because they're heavily boned, fairly stocky and have a fluffy coat which adds to their size. These cute large cat breeds are quite particular with the company they keep and tend to attach themselves onto one person. Due to this, they're not usually suited to larger families as they may get jealous. 6. Ragdoll. Ragdolls are one of the most popular cat breeds in the UK, which is largely due to their big blue eyes, charming natures and super soft coats. They're ideal family cats too as they have a people-loving personality and are super laid-back and cuddly in nature. Weighing as much as 20 pounds, male ragdolls are generally significantly larger than their female counterparts. 5. Ragamuffin. This big house cat may have an unusual name, but their rabbit-like fur and adorable appearance is bound to capture your heart. Usually weighing around 20 pounds, the Ragamuffin is descended from the Ragdoll. The breed came about due to a disagreement between the original Ragdoll breeders regarding the direction they wanted the breed to go. They created two separate breeds, which is why the Ragamuffin comes in so many different colors. 4. Persian. The Persian is large when compared to most cats. They are not the biggest cat breed on this list by a long shot. Weighing around 12 pounds, their extremely plush coat gives them a larger appearance. This big house cat is highly intelligent, and some owners have even reported that they have managed to teach them tricks. A Persian will require extra grooming, but when done daily, this is very easy to keep up with. 3. Savannah Cat. This big house cat has come under review in recent years about whether it actually qualifies as a domesticated cat or not. Savannah cat are the result of crossing domesticated cat, usually a Siamese, with an African wild cat. When it comes to size, it often varies as it'll depend on how far removed the cat is from their serval relative, but the tallest Savannah on record as Powers and was measured at a whopping 19.05 inches from ground to withers. 2. Norwegian Forest Cat. The Norwegian Forest Cat is a strong, muscular-looking cat with large paws and a big, thick coat that gives them an even larger appearance. weighing up to 22 pounds. This big domestic cat was actually developed as a result of a Norwegian legend. The legend went that there was a cat that lived in the forest and appeared and disappeared like magic. Cat breeders of Norway wanted to breed a cat that was the very embodiment of this legend, which is how the Norwegian forest cat came to be. 1. Maine Coon. If you're looking for a big cat breed, you'll find everything you want with a Maine Coon. Weighing up to 20 pounds and with big, fluffy coats, there are a lot of cats to love. The Guinness World Record holder for the longest cat was actually a Maine Coon called Burrywale, and measured an impressive 3 feet 11.2 inches from head to tail tip. These gentle giants were originally kept as farm cats as they're excellent at hunting. However, because of their good looks, smart and playful natures, they are now found in homes across the globe.